Hi, I'm Paul Cookson and I'm a green woodworker. We are building pole lathes for turning bowls and all sorts of things today. It's really important that we understand how everyday materials develop through historical periods, and this period where we start having metal is really interesting in an industrial process for me, and I just like piecing together how they might have done it. Favourite thing I've ever made? I will be eating my cereal out of a bowl that I turned on the lathe just like this in the morning, and I love that bowl. It's cracked, but it's the very first bowl I turned, and it looks exactly like bowls that we find from this period. Well, we had a look at some of the timber artifacts the other day, and the butter dish is really nice, but I really like the points on what we think of the pylons, and the tool marks on there could be the same as the tool marks that we're making with wood today with the same tools. Well, I really like what's happening at the Crannog at the moment, and I hope it goes from strength to strength and we can get a better understanding of life in the period. Well, I've been hearing a lot about belts recently, but a belt is no use to me without a little hook, a little loop that I can hang my axe in. So a belt loop for hanging an axe.